muscle. You ever wondered, why am I constantly tired? Why can't I build any muscle in the gym? Why do I have no motivation to work towards my goals? As a man, you should be constantly energized. You should have a muscular frame without even stepping foot in the gym. And working towards your goals should make you instantly fired up and focused on the task. But nowadays, men don't even wake up with a boner, and they're tired after sleeping for 8 hours. And you might wonder, how do some people seem to have endless energy to work for 12 hours a day, then spend time at the gym with their family, sleep for just 4 hours, and still wake up energized and ready to repeat it all the next day? The difference between you and them is really quite simple. It's testosterone. This is your secret weapon as a man. This is how you'll gain an edge over your competition. This is how you'll be able to build muscle, focus on work, and have confident demeanor. Society is pitted against you, but in today's environment, everything around you has become detrimental to your health. Use it to your advantage with my primal advantage framework. Back in the day, food was used as fuel for the body, fueling our bodies up and preparing them for motivated work. Nowadays, everything is toxic. Instead of fueling your body, food companies prioritize profits. Do you believe it's merely a coincidence that even foods that taste bitter have sugar, or that sweets are loaded with salt? What about the fact that even foods naturally orange, like orange juice, are colored with additives? No, there are really smart scientists behind every ingredient in the food you eat that carefully created a mix to make it as addicting to you as possible. And the result is that you feel terrible after eating it. It doesn't provide micronutrients, and it doesn't even make you feel full. The first step of the primal advantage framework is called nutrient mastery. Inside of this module, you will learn how to successfully win the battle with food companies by only eating things that fire you up instead of things that are making you lethargic. And even though food is a significant part of the puzzle, you need to ensure that your sleep is perfected if you want your body to produce testosterone. Right now, you're not sleeping correctly. I comprehend that you need to wake up early for work or school, but that doesn't mean you should sacrifice sleep. If you had a perfect formula that would enable you to experience perfect sleep every night, you would wake up feeling energetic after just 6 hours. However, most of you probably spend weekends sleeping in and toss and turn in your bed for 10 plus hours, rolling and tossing in your bed just to wake up more tired than you went to sleep. And you need to fix it immediately if you aim to achieve high testosterone, because this is where all the magic happens. The sleeping part is where your body produces all the testosterone and makes you fired up for the next day. And I'll show you how you can perfect it using the warrior sleep formula. But having the perfect diet and perfect sleep is sometimes not enough. Do you remember when I told you that food companies are making food bad and addicting on purpose? The worst part is that right now you can eat non-processed foods with the highest quality, like grass-fed steaks, and you're still not gonna get the same benefits as if you were eating them 50 years ago. What I'm about to tell you will blow your mind, and you might not believe me, but if you're looking to have a competitive advantage in your life, stay with me. Think about the food you think is highest in vitamin C. You probably thought of a lemon, orange, or a lime. Am I right? Probably. But what you might not know is that these foods need to be high in vitamin C, and the reason is because there's actually something that has completely destroyed the minerals in them. But now they're completely different because of soil depletion and the heavy usage of chemicals in modern agriculture. And that's why no matter how hard you try to eat what's considered healthy, you're still not getting all the benefits you should. The second element of the primal advantage framework is called biochemical dominance, where I'll teach you how to optimize your diet and environment to counteract these negative effects. But we can't stop here, because even if you're eating perfectly and sleeping well, you're still missing the crucial element of testosterone, and that is primal movement. You see, modern men don't move the way they should be moving. They sit all day, their postures are weak, and their bodies are not naturally producing testosterone like it used to. And if you don't fix this, you will never be able to unlock your full potential as a man. That's why in the last module of the primal advantage framework called Warrior Physique, I'll show you how to train your body the right way to maximize testosterone production and become the strongest version of yourself. If you want to get access to the full primal advantage framework and completely transform your energy, strength, and focus, then buy Testosterone Blueprint right now.